Now it's time for Bonnie's Buzz About Town, a weekly glimpse at the Palm Beach social scene with West Palm's own Bonnie Roseman. Now here's Bonnie.
Happy Hanukkah and happy holidays. It's a real happening here in Palm Beach County this week. The Chabad of Palm Beach is having their celebration on Thursday, the 6th of December. It should be lots of fun by the Fountain and City Hall on South County Road. Handel's Messiah will be at the King's Academy on the 8th. If there's even any tickets left, it's a must-see. All kinds of interesting events at the Society for Arts this time of year. And on Saturday the 8th, there is at 11 o'clock, The Art of Seating. Check it out online. Michael Massey, a fabulous pianist, and Rob Russell will be crooning at the Cafe Centro on the 17th and doing their holiday celebration party. Get your tickets in advance. It's going to be a sellout by going to Michael Massey on Facebook. A lot happening on the 18th of December. The Malt Theater in Jupiter is going to have their holiday concert, and I'll be there. And then segueing over to Cafe Sapori to see my friend Philippe Harari and all of his wonderfully talented friends celebrate the holiday season. So check all this out online. Movie pick of the week, Green Book. I'll be up for an Academy Award. Kreutzer Kids on the 11th are having their big evening at the Harriet Himmel. Check that out. So whether you're going to a Hanukkah party, a Christmas celebration, a wonderful concert, theater, it's all about style, and I can help you with your wardrobe needs this time of year. Just contact me, Bonnie Roseman, at 917-209-0516. It is by appointment. Feel good, but look even better.